you ever doing this live thing, Trav would be like, yo, is he lit? A bobbity. Did I just hear what's not a you?
Why you so far away?
Bobbity boopity. Hold up there, man. I just put on this live thing and get what's the matter you? What up, dog?
That's what you know. It's all your fault.
Say that again.
It's all your fault.
It's all my fault. Yep. You hear that? It's all my fault. I'm finally getting the credit I deserve. Hell yeah, you see, it's lit, boy. A bobbity boobity.
That's what's the matter him.
What's the matter him? This guy over here saying it's all my fault while he's eating the fucking pasta. Like, real guinea shit, boy. Trav, what up, dog?